Hello and welcome to another beehiiv 101, where I'm going to cover the search and filter publications feature that we've just added to your beehiiv web publications. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to see how users are going to interact with your publication in order to search and find content that they may be interested in reading. Just as a quick note before we get started, this video does build upon the content tagging feature covered in our feature update video series. I'll be quickly going over where to find the content tagging feature, but in terms of the in-depth explanation on how to use it, we will tag that video in the notes below. Thank you so much, and let's get started. So jumping over to beehiiv, we're going to be looking at our blog publication for simplicity. So if we go to visit site, we'll see the new updated experience for our web publications. And then from there, you'll see we have this new search posts feature. There's a couple things you can do. You can search for things like growth, and it will pull up words that are in the post, in the title. And you can search that way. The other thing you can do is search by tag by clicking these tag filters. This will pull up posts that are tagged with this specific feature. We haven't tagged them all yet, so there's only a small selection here, but you can kind of see how that starts to work. So how does this actually work on the back end? You're going to go to the right feature, content tags, and you're going to select create content tag, create a name for it. This is what's public facing. You can create a description for yourself. And then when you're in the publishing editor, you can select the content tag or tags that you want to attach to a specific post. Then when users come to your site, those tags will show up here if they are attached to a particular article. Makes it super easy to find and navigate your site. That being said, thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing what you built. Get tagging, and we can't wait to see what you build.